Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about Apache Maven, just for overview and definitions, and objective. So, Apache Maven is a software project management and comprehensions tool based on the concept of a project object model POM. Maven can manage a project builds, report, and documentations from a central piece of information. Maven, this word meaning accumulator of knowledge. Attempt to simplify the build process in the Jakarta turbine project. Build the projects, a clear definition of what the project consider of, an easy way to publish project information, and the way of shared jars across several projects. Building and managing any Java-based project, day-to-day work of a Java developer is easier. Apache Maven objectives. So, making the build process easy, providing a uniform build system, providing quality project informations, providing guidelines for best practice development, allowing transparent migrations to new features. Overall, if we'll talk about and comparing with previous tools like in Ant, we used to do that in comparing with Ant, Maven is a better, especially in Java project. Reason why there is so many plugins and features is there. However, so many legacy system is there which is unstructured and migrating from that uh, that applications to that in especially in microservices, that is a really tough. However, still we required some of the expectations to structure it and divide that in a legacy system to that in like kinds of a microservices. So that's all about in object Apache Maven in overview. We'll talk more details in step by step in further session. Thanks for watching.